Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and swatch some of this Wet n Wild stuff that I just got. I'm going to swatch this palette first, and it's the Wet n Wild paint palette, and it's the Brights. Yeah, this is the Brights. And I'm going to take them, I'm going to swatch. Do one finger swatch here. And I'm going to do the green. They're not as pigmented as I thought they would be. And I'm going to do blue and red. It's so hard to swatch with one hand. I'm going to do it in between the pink. Okay, those are pigmented, I must say. And that's the Brights palette. Now I'm going to swatch the pastel palettes. Ugh. I am having a hard time swatching with one hand. Okay. And now I'm going to do the pastels, and I'm going to do it right above it. Up. And those are the 4 shades that I had swatched in the beginning. Swatch these right here.
Where's the orange?
Maybe I didn't do the orange, the pink one that good. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, those swatch pretty decent. And those are face paints. Remember, those are just face paints. And now we're going to do the white. And I'm going to swatch it right there. And put the white paint back on there. And let me get the black. I'm going to swatch it right there. Whoa, that black is pigmented. Okay. And now we're going to do the glitters. And it's the glitter palette. It's just plain glitter palette. It doesn't really say anything. It's Brights. So let's see how this glitter palette goes. Let me put the lid on this black.
No.
Ben, you don't want me to swatch it on you?
Yes.
Give me your arm.
Okay.
I'm going to swatch it on my nephew, Ben. This is about the only thing that he'll let me swatch on him. See that? I think those swatched decently. I mean, they could have been a little bit more glittery, but that's fine. And those are the first 4. And I'm going to do the last 2. All right. I see that glitter coming through. Okay. And now I need somebody to turn their hand over. Who's going to let me swatch the front?
I guess Ben.
Okay. So now I'm going to swatch this. What color is this? Blazing Berry. And it's a really pretty color. Let's see. I'm going to need a little light, Benny. And this is a blush. There we go. And then I'm going to swatch the Queensland bronzer.
Are you going to take a picture?
I'm doing a video, Ben. And that's the bronzer. As you can see, that's not going to be much of a bronzer. That's going to be more of a subtle highlight for me. Honestly, I don't think that'll be too much of a bronzer. Okay. And let's try this dewy, no, actually, let me try these sticks. You gonna let me swatch the sticks on your hand?
Yeah.
And this is the yellow stick, multi-stick. Let me turn your hand. Okay, we're gonna do the yellow right here.
Jalen with the red one. She got dibs on red.
Oh, you want red?
Mm-hmm.
Then we're going to do the white one. And these are the multi-sticks. And Jolie wants to do the fuchsia. Oh, that fuchsia is nice. Get Okay, so those are the colors.